Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this quick and easy heart. It's a beginner-friendly project that works up in just a few minutes and is perfect for keychains, garlands, gifts, or adding a cute touch to your crochet creations. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. To make the heart, start by creating a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain counts as your first treble crochet stitch. Next, work 3 treble crochet stitches into the magic ring. To make a treble crochet stitch, yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Then yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's 1 treble crochet stitch complete. Now work 2 more treble crochet stitches into the magic ring using the same method. By the end of this step, you should have a total of 3 treble crochet stitches in the ring. Next, work 3 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Continue working into the ring, making all of the remaining stitches inside the same magic ring. Chain 1, then make 1 treble crochet. This stitch forms the point at the bottom of the heart. Chain 1 again, then work 3 double crochet stitches into the ring. Next, make 3 treble crochet stitches to create the second half of the heart. Chain 3, then finish by making a slip stitch into the magic ring. Once all the stitches are complete, gently pull the tail to tighten the magic ring and shape the heart. Fasten off, cut the yarn, and weave in any loose ends. And your cute little crochet heart is finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!